Good morning. So today we're going to be doing another Among Us review game, this time over Unit 2. So you'll start by going ahead and opening your own version of the doc, which is available on Google Classroom. And you'll just have it open like this and enter your name. So for me, it'll be Miss West. And for you, you'll put your own name. Then for our directions, say that your mission is to complete all the crewmate tasks before the imposter sabotages our ship. We need to click through each slide to solve the problems. So first, you're going to go ahead and pick your Among Us character. So you'll click on whichever one you are. So for me, I'm usually purple, so I'll click on purple. You'll hit the Control C button to copy, and then Control V on the next slide to paste. So Control C, and move to the next slide. Control V. So there's my crewmate. And then if you want to customize it even more by adding a hat, you can do so here. So I'll go ahead and add this. But you can make yours whatever you want. Drag that over here. So there's mine. And then you can have your own. So our first task is when we're an admin, so we need to solve the problem by dragging this use button over to the correct answer. So our first one says a transformation that makes a scale copy of a figure. So then we would go ahead and take that use button and drag it over to which of these they are. So transformation that makes a scale copy of a figure. So remember, scale copy of a figure, and that transformation is going to be a dilation. So we're going to go ahead and click on our use button and drag it over to where it says dilation, so that we see this is the answer to what a transformation that makes a scale copy of a figure is. Then we'll move on to the next question and do the same thing. So we see the relationship between two quantities where one is a constant multiple of the other. So again, a relationship between two quantities where one is a constant multiple of the other. So this is a relationship, so that's going to be a proportional relationship. So we'll again take our use button and drag it over to show that we're talking about proportional relationship as what this definition goes with. Then we'll be an admin, and we need to swipe our card. So you'll go ahead and say what it says there, click on it, and drag it over to the other side to swipe it. Then you will move on to the cafeteria and do the same thing. Drag your use button over onto the correct word that goes with that definition. Then we'll move on to here where you need to drag the green bar button to finish uploading. So you can click on this and just expand it so that it covers the entire thing to finish the download, like so. Do the next couple definitions right here again by dragging the use button over the correct word. Then you need to fill the gas tank, so you can do so by clicking on it and dragging it up to fill it up all the way. Answer some more definitions by dragging the use button over the correct word. Then you're going to click and drag to connect the wires. So we have our yellow here, so you click on it and drag it to connect it. And then same with our orange here. You can click on it and drag it to connect it there. Then you're going to answer some more definition questions. So matching the use button to the correct definition of the words here. Then eventually you'll get to the asteroids, which you'll click on them and then hit the delete button to clear them until they are all gone. Do some more definitions. Then you're going to empty the chute by again clicking on the different leaves and then hitting the delete button in order to clean out the filter. You'll answer some more definition questions. Then you'll need to finish this navigation map by clicking on the line and dragging it to finish it out. That way you can chart your course. Answer some more definition questions. Then we'll be here where we need to drag it up to divert power. Answer some questions in security. Finish wires again, connect them like you did the last one. Answer some questions in shields. Then you need to fix the damaged pieces by dragging over the new pieces on top of the damaged ones. So you'll do that with all of them there. And then suddenly, we see that there is a dead body in Shield. So we need to drag our report button over to our emergency button right there. So that way we can call a meeting. So we have reported that Green is dead. And then, so now you have 1 minute to discuss who you think it is and why. And then you can click through the slideshow to see who was the imposter. And eventually you will get to your victory. And then just make sure that you turn it in. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know and I will be happy to help. Have a good day. Bye.